biomedical animal research. Recently, someone close to us got diagnosed with breast cancer just last year. Without the help from animal testing and animal research, she would not be cancer-free today. We intend to prove that we test animals for good reasons. We have found many vaccinations from animal testing, and that animals make superior test subjects than any other living thing. First off, we test animals for good reasons. The California Biomedical Animal Research Association states that nearly every medical breakthrough in the last 100 years has resulted directly from research using animals. Patients with aggressive brain tumors finally have reason for hope. Thanks to the work of scientists and physicians at Duke University, an experimental new treatment for glioblastoma multiforme, or GBA, an aggressive tumor that kills about 12,000 people in the U.S. each year, is saving lives of patients who just months ago had little hope of survival. This extraordinary development wouldn't have been possible without animal testing or animal research. Many cures and treatments are being found because of animal testing. Bonobos are a chimpanzee-like figure which live only in the rainforests of Central Republic Democratic of Congo. They share over 98% of the same DNA as humans, which leads to our next argument of animals make better test subjects than any other living thing. According to animaltesting.procon.org, animals often make better research subjects than humans, being because of their shorter life cycles. Mice on average live up to 2 to 3 years, whereas humans on average live up to 70 to 75 years. Since they have a shorter life cycle and almost identical body system structure, they make a more fitting and advantageous way of finding cures and vaccines. Lastly, we have found many vaccinations from animal testing. According to my research from www.understandinganimalresearch.org, polio is a viral disease involving the spinal cord and brain, which leaves severely affected sufferers unable to breathe without a ventilator or iron lung. In the 1950s, after 40 years of research using mice, rats, and monkeys, polio vaccines were developed and used to treat the disease. As stated by Christina Cook from Oxford University, without animal research, medicine as we know it today wouldn't exist. Without the testing from animals, we wouldn't be able to research and find any cures or treatments for humans today. For example, influenza vaccines were found nearly 80 years ago by Jonas Salk and Thomas Francis. They wouldn't have been able to find a vaccine for this disease if it weren't for animal testing and animal research. So do you think that one small animal that is bred to be tested on should die, or millions of people die from deadly diseases?